Hey YouTubers, Elijah's Auto Repair again. We got a Toyota Highlander on the lift here, 2012. We're diagnosing it's making a grinding noise on the driver's side. I got it up on the lift. Let's see. So, wow. See how loose that wheel is? It's the wheel bearing. Not wheel bearings. You could see in there the movement inside the hub. That's the that's the wheel bearing. And these are pressed in. These are press fit bearings. The hub has to come off. It's got to be put in the press. Um, but yeah, so you got a loud grinding noise. More than likely, it's your wheel bearing. And on my next video, we'll have to go pick up the parts and we'll get this hub off, get it in the press, and we'll show you how to press the bearing in. And they're not easy. They're quite difficult, but yeah, stay tuned and watch my next video. We'll show you how to get this bearing pressed on. Elijah's Auto Repair. Subscribe. Thank you.